Tesla started as an audacious dream, sparked by a visionary who dared to question the status quo. Now, Tesla has not only changed the rules of the automotive industry, but it's also changing the rules of investment. This isn't just a car company, it's a movement, a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and pushing the limits. Now, imagine this company soaring to heights that no one could have imagined, the $5,000 mark. That number might seem like a faraway star, but hold on tight. Business growth is about to break down the data, unravel the predictions, and lay out the factors that could make this audacious climb a reality, from technological breakthroughs and market expansion to a relentless pursuit of excellence. Tesla's journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride that has left even the most experienced analysts wide-eyed and curious. Is this even possible? We're about to find out. But first, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. With that out of the way, let's start this video to talk about business and growth. As you can see, a company like Tesla that wants to grow is all about investing in new businesses, making new products, and fostering innovation. They just announced plans for a new factory in Berlin that will make over 1 million cars for Europe every year. This is a huge deal because Berlin currently makes about 200,000 cars a year, so the growth potential will hide the limit. And while we're talking about investments, let's talk about those chips. You may argue that Tesla is only about cars, but they're also putting over $1 billion into their dojo in chip manufacturing, which makes them a leader in the field when it comes to AI-driven self-driving technology. Now let's look at the bigger picture. Tesla may cause arguments, but they're also a strong player in the EV game because they're leading the market and developing new energy solutions. Analysts like Merz, who used to work at Moody's, think that Tesla's growth story is just beginning and that its impact on green transportation and job creation could be the model for the future. Merz gives details about Tesla's unstoppable growth and even shows the stock hitting a huge $11,000. Are you still interested? Well, let's break it down with some numbers. Tesla recently reported $25 billion in sales in a quarter. That's $100 billion in a year, which is pretty impressive, right? Well, guess what? They're expecting profits of $10 to $12 billion this year alone. But wait, it gets better. Tesla's energy business is only about 6% of the company's total revenue, while cars and services make up 94%. But things are about to change with the expected innovation mojo. The energy market will grow from 1.8 million cars this year to an expected 5 million in 3 years. It will then explode to 20 million cars, all of which will be fully self-driving. According to Tech, will add 10, boom sales will skyrocket to $350 billion in 3 years. Now, let's go back and talk about Tesla's innovation mojo. They become leaders in sustainable energy solutions, starting a revolution that's changing our world with a growing global presence. Tesla is leading a change that is not only shaking up industries, but also writing new rules for everything from electric cars to cutting-edge green energy. Tesla always goes against the norm, which is moving us toward a greener future. What makes them unique is that they have a constant impact on the world and continue to shine as a trailblazer. Tesla's influence goes beyond. Beyond making things, they're changing the way technology interacts with nature. They're making a world where driving an electric car isn't just a choice, but a promise to make the future better. Tesla isn't just changing the way businesses work, they're also changing people's minds and starting talks about how much energy we use. Their journey isn't just a business path, it's a story of change that will have a lasting effect. Think about what will happen with Tesla in 10 years. Tesla will no longer be a normal car company, they'll be a powerhouse that tightly controls raw materials, speeds up production, and enjoys the benefits of cheap energy in abundance. It looks like they're getting ready for a big chess game. This is what Merz says will happen. She thinks that Tesla will be making 20 million cars by 2033. That's like the car revolution on steroids. And don't forget how much money they're making this year. Well, in 10 years, it'll be even bigger and a real money maker. Now, you may be wondering why Tesla is making more cars. The answer is simple: more and more people want electric cars. The EV market is like a blaze that's getting bigger and bigger. This change isn't just happening in one area, it's happening all over the world. Governments in many countries are supporting the electric revolution. People and businesses alike are aware of the need to switch to better transportation options. Electric cars are appealing not only because they use cutting-edge technology, but also because they have a big effect on the environment. As more charging stations open up and manufacturers invest in new technology, the barriers to entry for electric vehicles are steadily falling. It's no longer just about owning a car, it's about being part of a movement that's pushing for a greener, more sustainable world. Sure, we can't see into the future with crystal clarity, but these numbers make it clear that more people will be riding electric in the coming years, from $287.36 billion in 2021 to a staggering $1,318.22 billion and $322 billion in 2028. The EV market is expected to grow quickly. And guess what? It's not stopping there. These are how the years 2022 to 2024 are going to be. According to our guru CEO, Cathie Wood, the EV golden era is here, new models are coming out, and government policies are in favor. The stars are aligned for electric dominance. The switch to battery-powered cars has given the EV market a huge boost. More and more people are learning about the benefits of electric cars, which is the cherry on top. FSD cars that drive themselves, fully Tesla's FSD software has already changed things, and in the next 10 years, it's going to completely change the transportation industry. And the numbers they're talking a different language. Merz thinks that FSD could add a huge $200 billion to Tesla's revenue in the future. That's a lot of numbers and dollar signs. In fact, this software might be even more of a game changer than robots. There you have it. Merz predicts that Tesla's sales will reach an impressive $2.6 trillion and profits will soar to $3 trillion. And their energy division may be even bigger than their car business. So buckle up, because the road ahead for Tesla looks like it will be an electrifying adventure. If Tesla continues to grow its energy car business and other ventures, it could experience significant growth in the future. The analysts see a scenario where in 10 years, Tesla becomes a major source of abundant energy through batteries, solar panels, and other products. During the third quarter of 2022, Tesla's energy business saw record revenues in energy storage deployment, with energy revenues climbing to $1.117 billion, a 0.6% increase year over year. Although problems like inflation and unemployment are clear, experts say that they can be solved. In conclusion, the cost of revenue was $1.13 billion. In the long run, high inflation can be good because it can hurt competitors and make way for Tesla to dominate the industry. Even though these numbers are just estimates, they give Tesla investors useful information because they show possible returns and help potential investors make smart decisions based on real data. This is true whether you're an experienced investor closely following Tesla's progress or someone who is interested in the possibilities of this game-changing company. Tesla might be a great company to invest in. Choice, while some may argue that optimism about Tesla's potential can be excessive, it's important to note the multitude of ongoing and planned projects that underline Tesla's innovative spirit. Of course, Tesla is influenced by various market dynamics that can cause stock prices to fluctuate, yet we hold the belief that the company will take appropriate measures to ensure growth continues steadily. In this video, we've illuminated the fascinating prospects that await Tesla, a company at the forefront of transformation. We've delved into how Tesla's expansion in energy, its car business, and its technological advancements could shape its narrative moving forward, from ambitious projections on car production and financial gains to the role of full self-driving technology. We've touched on pivotal factors that may shape Tesla's growth trajectory over the next decade, and with that, we've reached the end of this insightful exploration into the exciting future that lies ahead for Tesla. We've journeyed through its remarkable growth, new steps forward, and the ability to have an effect on many areas. Whether you're an experienced investor keeping a close eye on the stock market or just interested in how a new company is doing, there's no denying how interesting Tesla's life has been. That's the end of the movie. But let me ask you this. How do you see Tesla's evolution? In addition to making cars, could Tesla's energy projects change the way the market works overall? Based on what we've talked about, are you more optimistic about Tesla's future, or do you still have doubts about its path ahead? Please share your thoughts and let's talk more about its potential and the challenges of investing in a company that is always changing. If you learned something from this conversation and want to stay up to date on everything Tesla, to show your support, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and turn on alerts.